Before I worked with Dr. Elliot, I was subconscious about some of the photos that were taken, family photos, etc., feeling like my front teeth weren't looking as natural as they should be, and that changed since my procedure. My intention with Dr. Elliot was to come and have my teeth cleanings and standard procedures, but during that course of time I was able to share with him some of the things that bothered me about my smile or about the way that my teeth looked, and he made natural suggestions and told me about some modern opportunities that I could do to enhance the smile that I had and get it to look a little bit more natural to my face. I chose to work with Dr. Elliot because he was very good at explaining to me what the procedure was going to be like, what I should expect after the procedure, and he gave me a nice picture of what before and after would look like. Your smile is currently here, and when we're done with this, you should be more here, and all the dreams came true. It did. Working with Taylor Drive Dental Care has been a positive experience. The team has been friendly and engaging. They openly answer questions that I have, and Dr. Elliot never held back on anything. I feel I've got the full truth and the whole truth every single time, and that clarity was exactly what I needed to move forward. I would say since I had the procedure done, I'm feeling a lot more confident, and that joy that I have regarding my smile shows up in the photos the way that I want it to. I'm more inclined to take really good care of my teeth and use my guard and do the things that Dr. Elliot asked me to do, because I so much love the product that I don't want to compromise it, and came out exactly the way that I hoped that it would. I would say that Dr. Elliot's disposition is open to all people. He seems to have an understanding and a goodness of heart that would make anyone feel safe to share how they feel with him, talk it through, and work on solutions together that match your budget and your end goal.